All right, it's Wednesday, November 12th. We're in New York City. Wow, it is early. We're at the 2025 Stifel Healthcare Conference. It's day 2 of Biotech TV's coverage. Alex Thompson is the analyst who's in the middle of the I&I revolution. There's so much going on in that space. What's the latest? What's on your mind right now in I&I?
Yeah, I think there's 3 themes that I'm really interested in. With a lot of data coming over the next 12 to 18 months. I think one of these that we've touched on is multi-target approaches, whether they're combinations or bispecifics. I think hitting multiple targets in different inflammatory pathways is a really important theme to get to better efficacy in some of these validated indications. I think number 2 is pathogenic cell targeting, whether it's B cells, T cells, other cell classes that are involved in inflammatory pathways. I think that's another important theme here. And then 3, just the reinvigoration of novel biology and pushing towards novel targets, taking on that biological risk. I think all 3 of those themes are really pushing the field forward, and I'm excited to see how that goes.
Yeah, I was around all day yesterday, packed house. How's investor sentiment been lately?
Yeah, I think overall, in general and at the conference, people have been excited about the space. There's lots of catalysts coming up into 2026. You've seen stocks that have 2026 catalysts, re-rate into 2026 at this point. So, I think sentiment's good. I'm excited about next year.
All right, that's great to hear. Well, I have a whole schedule full of great company interviews. There's a lot of companies here that have key catalysts happening in the early part of next year. So you're going to want to check those out. Alex, always great to see you.
Great. Thanks, Brad.
Thank you.
Biotech TV's coverage of the 2025 Stifel Healthcare Conference in New York is brought to you by Stifel.